Alright, let's cut to the chase. You need money now. Here are some quick cash solutions that'll help you out in a pinch. First up, sell unused items. You'd be surprised how much cash you can make from things just lying around. Use apps like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even good old Craigslist to turn your clutter into cash. Next, consider gig work. Got a car? Drive for Uber or Lyft? Have a talent? Offer freelance services on Fiverr or Upwork? You could even walk dogs or babysit through apps like Rover or Care.com. The gig economy is booming and there's money to be made. Third, try online surveys or market research. Websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie pay you for your opinion. It's not a fortune, but every little bit helps, right? Another option, part-time jobs. Retail, food delivery, or seasonal work, these can all bring in some quick bucks. Check local job boards or apps like Indeed and Snagajob to find openings. Lastly, consider a cash advance or personal loan. If you're really in a bind, short-term loans can be a solution. But be careful. High interest rates can trap you in a cycle of debt. Always read the fine print and understand the terms. Remember, these are just quick fixes. For long-term financial health, you'll need a solid plan. But for now, these tips can get you through. Got any other quick cash tips? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart and stay savvy.